Welcome, fellow EXEs and Mobians, to another Silver.Exe reaction. Today we are going to be reacting to Sonic Flirts with Rouge. Another Sonic Rouge pairing video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this.
Excuse me? Are you blind or something?
How dare you say such a thing?
Our love was cool.
It's just that all the time you were looking for luxurious jewels when you are the most beautiful and valuable diamond.
Oh,
He got you this time.
I didn't
Ooh,
think
my.
he was going to give it back to me.
At least you didn't sound like you wanted to rip your eyes out.
Big Blue is a fast learner. How ironic.
You loved it. That was absolutely fantastic. I do love this pairing so much. So I hope you guys all enjoy my live reaction to this, and I will see you during my next video. There's not much for me to say. Make sure you guys leave me comments down in the comment section below, and like that video. Silver.Exe signing out. Chaos.